Go to the CNO a lot, which is towards DC, Delaware, and I could never get the yeah, it's in New Jersey. It borders to catch the cooler time of the day. If they don't produce something, address anything, it always has to go aside or fall mode of it. There's nothing there. But if they see I couldn't see it. Not that I have great eyes. This is Chase, and this is Chase. He was named Chase when we got him. He was named Princess kind of he's like 13 and a half now.
You're gonna have to do this in order to
because they enjoy this now. They tunnel through it.
Huskies, yeah, actually he's got a little malamute. What's that? They're hot, but moving. If they see a blade of grass move, they run out there off the dead, she loves the little stuff. To rescue her, the family had to get rid of her. Police dogs, military police dogs, and he really taught me what I had other Huskies one time. I couldn't believe it. They came around, one of the kids some of them are very prey driven, and that's what they, but the reason behind having a few of them, because they wear each other out.
They soar as they pull, and run galore, it's lightweight design, lets them just fly. The rough-born, not tasty, waits but racy, waits for the dogs to play. The dogs to play. The rough-born, not tasty, waits but racy, waits for the dogs to play.
WooFDriver lets them play.
In a glance you will know it's his legal stance.
This is ball, but it's a three-wheel scooter, which is nice because people do this usually on two-wheel something, address anything. See a blade of grass move, they think something's there, but they're surprised. That's how they hunt, because they see movement, and when they see that, they he was named Chase when we got him. She was named for the most difficult breed. They're really aloof. They live inside, yes, and they want to be outside.
Waits for racy, waits for the dogs to play. The dogs to play. The rough-born, not tasty, waits for racy, waits for the dogs to play.
WooFDriver knows the way.
Electric capabilities, indeed. A little power on demand, have some command, the full pack. And they learn to understand, to stay on track, and keep the slack out of the line, so we can all ride in a thin time.
WooFDriver's RuFF-Board. Just watch the dogs play.
The dogs in the house.
WooFDriver, as with most of his ADVs, also likes the dogs to ride on the side.
This keeps them closer intact, and in fact gives them more control of the pack. And therefore they can go more places to do their laps. It acts like a short leash with some spring.
But WooFDriver can always bring the pack.
Close into his lap to avoid any mishaps, as he lets others stay in their tracks without having to deviate to avoid his wrath. If need be, he can also quickly scoot to the side to make room for the others to easily pass him by. The rough-born, not tasty, waits for racy, waits for the dogs to play. Oh, the dogs to play. The rough-born, not tasty, waits for racy, waits for the dogs to play.
WooFDriver knows the way.
Safety is always WooFDriver's main concern, and with this small footprint size of this RuFF-Board, WooFDriver can easily see to the side and make sure all the dogs are fine and enjoying this mighty fine time.
The RuFF-Board also has a dual purpose, because it can easily convert and assert some speed.